Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be looking at Bitcoin. After the Donald Trump and Kamala Harris debate, we will see what's going to happen to Bitcoin after the debate now. And we can see that it was not a good debate for Donald Trump, and thus happening the Bitcoin drop that we saw during the debate. If we go on lower time frames, we can see that once Donald Trump started doing the debate with Kamala, we could see this drop that happened over here. We can see there was some sort of support and it just broke and it just kept going down, and now has broken over major support. And over this midway point of the channel, we had drawn over on larger time frames over here. If you guys can remember, this channel is what we have drawn dating back all the way to March and even late February of this year. And now we had seen a break of it over for buys over the past couple of days, but because of what happened today, we saw a break back under. And like I said, if we go back on lower time frames, I'm going to show you guys this. We see this bearish price action over here. We could see this trend line over here that was not respected. We got one touch, two touch, three touches, four touches, and we finally got the break. We may be able to we may see a retest possibly during London session or US markets to continue the downtrend, because the debate was not good for Bitcoin. As you guys know, Bitcoin is correlates a lot to how Trump is looking in the polls, and today was not a great day for him. But regardless of that, we're just looking at the chart, and like I always say, fundamental analysis goes right along with technical analysis. It goes right along. So even if you didn't watch the debate or any of that, you would still be able to catch these trades just based on technical analysis. Like for example, right now, as soon as we got the break of this major channel over here at the midway point, and then the break of this trend line, that's multiple confirmations as to why we enter sells. So now we're looking bearish. We saw major resistance over here as well. So we enter sells at this price over here of 56,700. 800, and that's where we're currently sells, and we could possibly see Bitcoin start heading towards more lower, maybe possibly retest this area again, 53,000, to continue the buys over here. Because as you guys know, overall bullish on Bitcoin. It's just we base ourselves on technical analysis, and that's what it's showing us right now. If we do end up getting a break, maybe this could be a fake out. We end up getting a break back under, a nice retest, nice price action over here around this area, then we will go back into buys. But for the meantime, we are clearly seeing a lot of signals as to why we should sell. So that's why we entered sells for right now. And I want to show you guys this other chart as well that I have on Bitcoin. Okay, this is another support and resistance levels I have based off of channels on major time frames as well. So let's go on the 4-hour time frame. So we can see that these channels are really well respected. We can see, and what are we seeing right now? We are seeing that Bitcoin has broken back under. So for this 4-hour candle, we still have around 2 hours left. If this ends up wicking off, then we could still may have to wait for a more signals as to why we should sell. But for the meantime, we are getting that break right now on larger time frames. So this is more confirmation as to why we should enter sells. And that's what I wanted to show you guys. And also, if you guys remember, I had drawn out this trend line over here, and we can see that it was respected. It was respected. And in the past videos I put out a couple days ago, I said we would enter buys once we get a full break and a nice retest of this break of this trend line. But as you guys can see, we did not get that. We did not receive it. We did get a break, but we got to push right back in. So, and like I tell you guys, whenever we receive this type of price action, it tends to follow the price tends to follow the direction it broke back inside. So here we got a major push, try to push, then the debate happened and it just went straight back under, and it's looking like it could keep going and falling down, the price of Bitcoin. To give you guys an example of that was over here. It was probably a week ago or two. We got a push, but it just couldn't. And once we got the break back under of the break, supposed to be here over, it was a fake out. And then we saw this bearish price action. and then we've seen similar price action over here in Bitcoin. But that's the Bitcoin analysis for today. If you guys have any questions, any comments, leave them down. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share with your family, with your friends. Um, any questions you guys have, leave them down, or any other pairs you guys would like me to go over. Just tell me, and I will try my best to get to them. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.